see here, guys, I planted my first moringa tree, and it's growing like a star. um, this one is about maybe about 2 weeks old, and it's growing like really really well. I heard that moringa is a good plant to have, and I'm trying my very first one. I'm not a planter, and it took nothing to plant it. I just took it out of the hard shell, and once I took it out of the hard shell, I put it in soil. I don't use fertilizers, so what I do is I live in an area where I can get cow downs. So I use the cow down in the soil. I mix it, and I had my own mulching. So I put that with dried grass and leaves and whatever, and some peelings from the house, and let it break down. And then once I do that, then I replanted. I put it in the soil here, and then plant it in a small container and let it propagate. Once it does that and it started to grow, I transplanted it in the ground, and now it's growing. When I transplanted it, what I did was I did the same fertilizer. I dig a hole, I put some fertilizer in it, natural fertilizer from cow downs. If you have chickens, I use that, and I put some in the soil, and then I put one layer of that, and then a layer of soil, another layer of that, and then put it in, put some soil in it, and then put it in, and then cover it with a little soil, and it's growing like crazy. I'm surprised to see how well it is growing. It's beautiful. I think this is another one behind it that's coming up. See, it's really small. I don't want to ruin it. Let me see if I can. I just put the stones around it, so because I have cats, so they don't come and try to bother it. I think this is another one that I put in maybe like about a few days ago, maybe about 2-3 days ago, and you see how beautiful it is. It starts to pull up from the ground. See, this is another one that I just tucked into the ground, and it starts to grow already. So it's really beautiful, and I didn't even use any fertilizer. It's so surprising to see how fast this thing grow, and it doesn't need a lot of care. I just put it in the container, give it some water, and give it not direct sunlight. I am in a climate, I'm in a tropical climate, so what I do is I put it outside, and because I don't want it to get direct sun, I put it, I cover it with something to protect it from the sun, the direct sun heat, and it just gets the sunlight, and it's beautiful. I don't know, it makes me feel like I want to farm right now. Over here, I use this thing to kind of protect it, but over here, I decided I had some pumpkin seeds, so I decided I was going to try it out. So I went ahead and planted the pumpkin seed. This is about, I'm not even sure, this is about 5 days old, 7 days old, that I planted this pumpkin seed, and look how well it is growing. I used the same mulching that I did for this one with the cow down and dried grass and manure. That's what I use for manure, and it's growing beautifully. I don't know, I'm probably gonna give away this one. I'm gonna see if somebody would like to get one, and then probably share it with someone, because I don't want to have, I have this one. It's just I live by myself, so I don't want a whole lot. So that's it, guys. There it is. If you want to plant your own moringa tree, it's not hard. You just take it the seed from the hard brown shell. You just take the seed from the hard brown shell and use the white part. I didn't soak it in water. I didn't know anything. I just prepare my soil, and I just stuck it in the soil and leave it. I did about 4 of them, and at the time I did this, I planted about 4 seeds in the container. This is the only one that came out that grew. So you might not just want to stock 1 or 2. Do some, so if the others are spoiled, then at least one will come out of it. So this is the one that came forth, and it is beautiful. I'm loving it. I feel so proud of myself. I couldn't be. I'm so surprised that this happened. You guys should give it a try, and uh, I'm looking to see where it will take me. Yeah, I'm looking forward to eat this as vegetable. I'm looking forward to cooking it. I'm looking forward to use it to make salads. I actually got this one for free. I didn't have to buy it because my neighbor, it grows in Jamaica, and my neighbor down the road, he had, and I went and I asked him for a few seeds. He gave me a lot of seeds actually. I still have some seeds inside. So I decided I'm going to plant my own so I don't have to keep going back to get seeds from him. So that is what I did, and I hope you guys give it a try. And as my pumpkin grows, I'll keep you posted and updated about my pumpkins as they grow. Oh, hi Ella. My little cat is sitting here watching me. Hi, Peeky Boo. Hey. Hi. You're such a cutie. Ah, you're such a cutie. You like to follow me around, don't you? Okay, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video.